Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. In last video, we learned how to get data from server. Today, in this video, we learn how to force data to server. Let's see. Firstly, I am create one form in app.component.html file. Create one form. I am simply check field to server. First is name, second email, after that password. ID is automatically generated. So first is name, placeholder, enter your name. After that second is email, placeholder is enter your email. After that last one is password. And simply add here br tag. After that create one button. Name of button is add user. After that open app.module.ts file. In this file firstly import HttpClient module from Angular common HTTP. After that import forms module forms. After that open app.component.html file and define name to this form. I am write name users form and value is ng form. After that event for this form is ng submit and create one function get user form data. And define this function in app.component.ts file. In this file firstly import our service. After that write in constructor private one variable one date. I am write here user data and name of service is user data service. After that, name of our function is get user from data. It returns data and it will be any type. Okay, after that open user data service.ts file. In this file, firstly import HTTP client from Angular common HTTP. In constructor, create one variable, write here HTTP and HTTP client. And write here one variable URL and paste our server URL in this variable. After that, I am create one function save users. It returns data and it will be any type. After that, this function returns this dot http. HTTP is this variable http dot post method, this dot URL data. After that, open app.component.ts file. Here this dot name of variable user data and name of function save users. And in that data, this data subscribe. I am write here one variable result and it will be any type. And here console dot one and result. Compile this application and open browser. In app.component.html file, in ng submit event, write here users form name of form dot value. Compile this application and open browser. I am write here name Vishal, mail ID is vishal@test.com and password is vishal@123. Okay, after that open our servers, refresh it. Okay, yeah, right here ng model, bind our input data of this form, compile this and again refresh, and right here Swapnil Swapnil at the test.com, Swapnil at the rate 123. After that add user and refresh. Our data is successfully added with ID 7. In this way we can send data to server. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.